How's it going, guys? This is Forensic Forex with Deontay, and I'm back with another video. This is your daily update on crude oil. As you can see today on Thursday, right before NFP, tomorrow's NFP, price ran up and took out this previous daily high and this previous daily high as well. So we took out that swing high formation, which kind of negates the fact of our bearish trend formula. But like I said, with experience, you notice that at times you are in the trend and you recognize the trend, but it can be a buy stop raid, which is why I wrote that here. So potentially price could just be running up to get retail traders long once again so that they sell in a premium. Overall, this can still be conclusive to bullish momentum coming into play. We just have to see what is most likely going to play out. Is price making a higher swing low here from this one here at least? And is it going to be held up to go higher for higher prices? Potentially. That is not out of question. But we want to see what happened next after breaking the swing high. If we're going to go back to the bullish trend formula. So let's say for a second we're following what the market is giving us. We want to see what? So we got a swing high broken, which would mean bullish momentum is coming back into play, and we want to see a higher swing low. So we have to wait for a higher swing low if it's going to be following the bullish trend formula now. So it's just all about steps and processes. We're taking it simple this year. I want to keep the daily bias recognition to a cookie cutter like approach. I don't want to overanalyze it. I want to keep it as simple to myself so that I'm not confusing myself and looking at other things that don't concern me. Like I said, if it is going to be a bullish month, let's say oil is going to continue going higher from this point. This swing low, 1, 2, 3, is being printed below January's opening price. That's where most likely the large funds or the commercial speculators are getting into their long positions, while retail probably thought it was going to go short and it's going higher. That's a scenario. Or vice versa. This could just be another swing high that's going to form up here. So it breaks this swing high, but it's just a run on liquidity. And then price continues to go short. Once again, where is it? In a premium. So if it is going to sell, it would want to sell here. But if it's already going to go higher, it already found its basis and sponsored its buys below January's opening price to go higher. We would have to see a higher swing low form and then price take out this swing high and potentially get back to that IPTA look back high, 20-day high. As always, I like to compare another thing as well. So we got DXY. We see the DXY as well. Broke a swing high formation. And that stands for what? Bullish momentum. This is a funny and interesting price action pattern here. I haven't seen one like this in a while, or I haven't seen one like this at all. But this is just something that's very interesting. I know it's the beginning of the year, so there can be manipulation for January, heavy manipulation. But it's very interesting to see this pattern here. Price shot all the way up here and then sold off and then opened up here and left all this open here. So you got like a volume imbalance here. Huge inefficiency. So I wouldn't be surprised if a higher swing low forms somewhere within this range and then price continues going higher as well. We can also note off that beginning of the year, you can see we slightly went under January's opening price. So at time there is tendencies for US oil and DXY to trend in the same direction. We've noticed that with December, November, and October. So you can see here how price was selling off. And if we were to put on oil onto this, you could see how seasonally it was following it as well for a certain moment of time. Not all the time does it seasonally follow the DXY, and its correlation is very strong. The direct correlation is strong, but you can see in moments in time they do have a positive correlation. Dollar drop, oil drop, oil drop, dollar drop. So that is something I would like to just take note of. Dollars becoming bullish seasonally. January DXY is bullish. So we're going to see if oil is going to continue to follow this trend as well. Hopefully this was insightful. Just to recap briefly, we can see that price recently broke that swing high, and we're just following that bullish trend formula. That's what we have at stake right now. So we got that bullish trend formula unfolding. Do we get a higher swing low? If we get that higher swing low, odds are oil is going to raise in price. It's going to be in probably higher demand. If the price is going up, that means demand is going up. If price is going down, that means demand is going down and there's high supply. Peace.